Since the failure of his $100,000 prediction for Bitcoin last year, anonymous Bitcoin analyst Plan B's credibility within the crypto community has slowly dwindled. Though the former institutional investor always warns that he only gives investment advice, many people have recounted how they lost money based on his predictions. It is needless to say that between last November and now, Plan B has acquired a lot of critics for his efforts. On Tuesday, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin expressed how he felt about Plan B's stock-to-flow model while agreeing to a tweet describing the model as an epic failure. In his tweet, the Canadian programmer noted that the model and others like it are harmful to investors. In this video, we are going to examine Buterin's tweets on the subject as well as Plan B's reply to his remarks about his model. Please watch, like, and share this video. We also love to hear from our viewers and subscribers, so sure you drop your comments on the video, as well as how we can serve you better in the comment section below. Thanks and enjoy the video. Certain Bitcoin price models have been receiving a lot of backlashes lately, especially the Rainbow Price Indicator and the popular stock-to-flow model. Plan B became known in the crypto community about 3 years ago when he published an editorial titled Modeling Bitcoin's Value with Scarcity on March 22, 2019. Using the stock-to-flow model and the now invalidated floor model, Plan B made himself even more popular with a few accurate predictions during the last bull market. Last June, the pseudonymous analyst tweeted, "Bitcoin is below $34,000, triggered by Elon Musk's energy FUD and China's mining crackdown. There is also a more fundamental reason that we see weakness in June and possibly July. My worst-case scenario for 2021, August 47,000, September 43,000, October 63,000, November 98,000, and December $135,000. Plan B's predictions for August and September were accurate, while October's prediction was near accurate. Unfortunately for investors that placed a heavy bet on his other predictions, Bitcoin did not go higher than 69,000 in November before it started a steady decline. All year, the King Crypto has been way off the stock-to-flow model prediction. So it was no surprise when Ethereum advocate Anthony Sassano called the model an epic failure in a tweet. The tweet reads, "The stock-to-flow model is such an epic failure that Plan B should just delete his account. He won't, though, because he sadly still has 1.8 million followers who eat up all of his hopium garbage on a daily basis." Shortly after, Buterin quoted the tweet and wrote, "Stock-to-flow is really not looking good now. I know it's impolite to gloat and all that, but I think financial models that give people a false sense of certainty and predestination that number will go up are harmful and deserve all the mockery they get." In another tweet under the original one, Buterin wrote, "Remember who supported stock-to-flow and who mocked it even back when it looked like it was accurately describing the trendline." Buterin's criticism did not go unnoticed by Plan B, who soon replied with some criticisms of his own. Quoting Buterin's tweet, Plan B wrote, "After a crash, some people are looking for scapegoats for their failed projects or wrong investment decisions. Not only newbies but also leaders fall victim to blaming others and playing the victim. Remember those who blame others and those who stand strong after a crash." The former institutional investor also retweeted a Twitter user who wrote that Ethereum's ultrasound tokenomics are entirely based on stock-to-flow. Shortly afterward, Plan B also clarified that he wasn't responsible for how people invest since he shares his charts for free. Here is the tweet. "So, I share my analysis and charts for free. Never told anybody to buy or what, when, how, and how much to buy. Now COVID, China ban, Russia war, and inflation tank all assets including Bitcoin. And somehow some wieners blame their investment decisions on me. Lame." This is just an example of the criticism that Plan B and others who have tried to predict higher prices for Bitcoin have been receiving all year. But Plan B still has a lot of supporters going by the number of likes his tweets continue to get. Popular Bitcoin influencer Bitcoin Archive also had this to say about Plan B's work. "Indeed. Keep posting, please. I enjoy the perspective you bring." In another tweet, Plan B also recommended 5 Bitcoin models for those who still believe in price predictions. Surprisingly, he didn't describe the stock-to-flow model as the best of the lot. Prediction is hard, especially in the future. He even says predicting financial markets is impossible. For those still interested in models, here are 5 Bitcoin valuation models. Time, log regression, rainbow, and stock-to-flow too high. UTSR-TX too low, difficulty/mining cost currently the best. What are your opinions on Plan B, his stock-to-flow model, and Buterin's prediction? Please drop your comments below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.